Hi, Michael Gaffney in Atlanta, Georgia today. We're looking at containers. We're at Kennecott's in Atlanta, and they have a great collection of containers. And let's talk about it. Pretty collection, all kinds of containers. If you're ever near a Kennecott's, just go in and tell them you're a friend of mine or a student of mine, the flower professor. I'm in several Kennecott's around the country, and they'll let you look at their containers, maybe even let you buy. Call me before you go. I'll tell you who to talk to. There's a subscriber insider tip. And so it goes on and on. Beautiful containers. But here's the thing about containers. This one here is quoted as $6.75, which means you have to sell this. We like to do a triple markup for $18. So when people come to you, oh, here's one. Look at these, $27.50. That's $90 a piece. So be careful what you wish for. These little mint jewel cups, I love those. Little pretty metal, heavy metal. Ooh, that's pretty. I love it. But those are $7.25, so $22 a piece. The bigger one is $16. That would be about $50 a piece. It's not real tall. So be careful when you use these pretty containers, because you've got to double and triple. Triple if you're going to make money. So that's my thought on containers. I love them, but most of my clients, if they come to me and they want $100 for an arrangement, most florists would take off $30 for labor, 30%. So now you have $70 left. If you use this container right here, this retails for $30. Now you have $40 left, probably about $10 worth of greens. Right, now you're down to 30 flowers. So 30 flowers in that container is not going to look like $100, because it's all disappeared in your labor and these expensive containers. So I love all the containers. Let's take one more gander down this aisle. I love all the containers, but be careful when you have clients. They come to you for flowers. Here's your professional floral designer tip. They come to you for flowers in mind. They're not coming to you for often with fancy containers in mind. So if you can find them and they can afford them, power to you. But your arrangement's going to be 30 to 40% higher if you use these really fancy. I love these glasses. I was going to buy these and use them for drinking glasses in my home. I think they're really pretty. Look, they're kind of that oil slick finish on it. So here's where I shop. I'm mostly in the glass department. Ceramic, not a lot. I usually shop in the easy breezy, affordable glass department. They're much more affordable than those expensive ceramic and metal containers. Those are cute. I've used those before in class. Here's one I use a lot. When I have a rustic wedding, these I'm hip to. These wood boxes, one of my favorites, the long oblong ones or the square ones. These are only $8, so they're $24 a box. But they kick butt when you use them in a centerpiece. Some smaller ones. These would retail for $10. Worth it. When you're doing those rustic weddings and they want mason jars, I say, no. We're going to use some cool reclaimed looking wood boxes. So Michael Gaffney reminding you to keep blooming. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Interesting.